Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how to make this flower cube, then keep on watching. Now I will leave in the description box all of the stuff that you'll need to do this DIY, but the main thing that you will need right now is this foam cube. I got this one from Michael's. It was about $15, and this is what we're going to stick all of our flowers in. Now I'm reusing all of the flowers that I used for my Christmas tree last year, but you can go out and buy any kind of flowers that you like in any color. And what I did here was cut them all from the bunch that they were in. So I just took some wire cutters and I cut them. I did cut them a little bit shorter, but it was all mainly about 2 to 3 inches from where the flower is. And all you want to do to get started is just start arranging the flowers in any fashion that you like. I decided to start with one color just to kind of start with like a base, and then from there I could like see what looks good, and I just started arranging it however I like. I do suggest that you kind of hover it a little bit and decide where you want to put it before you actually stick it in, because you don't want to create too many holes. That's kind of going to lose the integrity of the cube. So just make sure you are like 99% sure before you actually stick the flower in. And don't worry about the flowers falling out. As you can see here, like I really have to push it into the cube, so your flowers are not going to go anywhere. Trust me. Now you can stop here, but I wanted to take it one step further and add some more flowers and some more little details. So I pulled off the white flowers and the leaves from the stems that they were on, just because I didn't like how it looked on the stem. So I pulled them all off, and I'll show you an example of how I did it. So I just pull the top off, and then I pull the leaves off as well. And with my trusty glue gun, I'm just going to go ahead and glue all of the white flowers in between all of those little gaps and spaces that are left on the cube. So I glued all of the white flowers first, and then I did the leaves in between. The reason why I had to glue them is because they wouldn't have stayed if I had just like pushed them in there, just because they didn't have anything to stick into the foam. So I had to glue them. And last but not least, I do have leftover glitter butterflies from my Christmas tree, so I decided to add these kind of throughout the cube because I thought it would add a nice little sparkly touch. And I glued those on as well.